guys, and welcome back. Today I want to do a quick lesson on a great tune from the 90s. So Radiohead, Creep. So this song is just the same four chords over and over and over again throughout the whole song. But there's kind of a lot more going on with it than just those four chords. There's just a lot of accenting in different places and things that you want to capture in order to recreate the whole essence of the song. So let's take a closer look and see what this entails. Okay, so as I mentioned, there's just four chords that are going to make up this song, and it's just played over and over and over again. What makes it interesting is how they play it, and so let's walk through some of the technique and what we're going to need here. So we're going to start off on a G. That is the first chord that we're going to need. I leave my index finger off of the B and I just mute the A string. So you're not hearing this, you're not hearing that, you're just... Okay, so the first chord is G. It goes from G, then we're going to go to B major. And then that's going to go up to a C major. And then from there we're going to go to C minor. And that's where it starts over. So you might notice the way that I'm going to play the B and the C is a little different. I'm not playing it in the standard position. I'm not playing the C up here. So what I like to do, just to make the song feel and be a little more comfortable, is I'm going to play, instead of the B here, I'm just switching my fingers and I'm playing it here. Because then I can get my hammer-ons, which I'll show you here in a moment, and I can slide up to the C. I do the same thing. So instead of just playing B to C like this, I'm just doing it. And that's how I'm getting back to my C minor. So that's the way that I'm going to go ahead and play those. So the way I play this song, there is an acoustic version of this song, and it's really great. It's just straightforward strumming. And then there's the radio version. So what I do is I kind of take a little bit of both. I put them together. So that way I'm not playing just this strumming pattern like they do in the acoustic version, right? I'm doing a little bit of both to make it sound really full, sound like the album version, be very recognizable to people when you're playing it, and still sound really, really good. So that's the reason that I prefer to play it the way that I do. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how I get through it. Here is going to be the G. I don't know if you can see that, but when we go to the B, it's... So we're adding that hammer on. And we're doing the same thing on the C. When we switch to the C minor, we want to hear this note first. So I do a pick and pluck at the same time. Okay, so that's just the arrangement and how I do it. When you go into the chorus, you just playing it full out. So you can just strum. There's a lot of people that like to play it. Same chords, same 4 chords, but they'll play it with the G like this. They're going to slide up to this B. To C. And then to get to C minor, just lift your finger up. Sounds great. It's a good way to play the song. So if you prefer, or it's easier for you to do it that way, by all means do it. I really just like the acoustic feel. I like the blending it with the radio version feel. Playing it like this, you really hear those high notes. And I just like to kind of groove it. So I think it sounds much more pleasing. You can do little hammer-ons, pull-offs in your strumming. And then you can even go into this for the chorus if you want to change it up. It's really up to you. There's really no wrong way to do it. It's really about just what's pleasing to you. So this is a great song. It's a song I do love. And when I play it live, that's how we do it. So when you have vocals over it, it's really, really, really nice to hear it the way that I have arranged it and the way that I play it with these chords like this. You get the feel of the whole entire song, and it's just a really, really nice way to present the song. So you're keeping the song essentially the way that they've written it. So which is what I try to do. So I hope you find this video informative. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. And as always, please like and subscribe to help me keep this going. So I'm hoping you're enjoying the take on these songs and how I present them to you. So I know sometimes they're a little different, which can be frustrating because you see a bunch of people doing it a different way. Like I said, I'm always just trying to listen to the song, play along to the song, and capture the overall feel of the song. So that's always my #1 goal. So yeah, enough rambling. Please like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for tuning in.